I'm not here to sell you a dream or a shortcut. I'm here to show you what actually works. The kind of steps that helped me, starting with nothing, to now making $1,000 a day consistently. And no, it didn't happen overnight. It took strategy, discipline, and a system that anyone, yes, even you, can copy and apply. Here's the reality. Most people are stuck in a loop of following outdated advice. They chase every new opportunity, only to end up right where they started. But I want to break that cycle for you. Success isn't about luck, it's about leverage. I'm not going to lie to you. Apps like Honeygain and Swash, they're a bullshit. Sure, they pay you, but it's just pennies for your data and time. That's not freedom. That's wasting your life. If you're serious about making money, stop settling for spare change. Start building something real that works for you, not against you. How's that? 3 years ago, I was stuck, not just financially, but mentally. I spent hours watching every guru video on YouTube, trying to crack the code, and every time I felt like I was falling further behind. You know that feeling? When you're putting in the effort but nothing clicks? I was there. I jumped from one idea to another, hoping something, anything would stick. But the truth? Most of what these so-called mentors sell is fluff. They're selling dreams, not strategies. I was frustrated, broke, and ready to give up. Then, one random day, I stumbled on a video. It wasn't flashy, no Lamborghinis or private jets. But the guy said something that changed everything for me. He said, affiliate marketing isn't just a side hustle. It's the engine behind almost every online business. It hit me like a ton of bricks. Think about it. At the heart of dropshipping, coaching, even influencer marketing is affiliate marketing. It's everywhere, but nobody talks about it because they're too busy selling courses. That's when it all clicked. Why spend years building a product when you can leverage one that's already proven to work? Why struggle with zero results when you can tap into a system designed to scale? That's what I did. And fast forward to today, I've built a business that pulls in $15,000 a month, all because I finally understood how to play the game. But this isn't about me. It's about you and the roadmap I'm laying out today. If you're tired of the fluff and ready to build something real, stick with me. I'll break it all down, step by step. Step 1, finding the perfect niche. When it comes to picking a niche, people will tell you to choose something you're interested in. Nah, I will say, go for a trending niche that actually excites you. Let me lay it down straight. Trending niches aren't just opportunities. They're jackpots waiting to be cracked open. If you're not paying attention to what's hot right now, you're essentially leaving money on the table. Here's the kicker. Trends are happening all the time. Doesn't matter if it's January or July, there's always a wave you can ride. Take mosquito repellent, for example. Weird, right? But it's not just a spray can. It's a solution to a problem. People hate getting bitten, and they're willing to pay good money for it. That's what trends are. They're answers to pressing questions. And as an affiliate marketer, your job is simple. Match those answers with the right audience. But hold up, don't confuse trends with fads. Fads are like fireworks, bright and exciting, but they fizzle out just as fast. Trends, on the other hand, have legs. They evolve, grow, and keep delivering over time. It's like betting on a champion horse instead of a one-hit wonder. Now here's the million-dollar question. How do you spot these trends? Look at what people are Googling, the hashtags blowing up on TikTok, or the new products that are flying off Amazon's shelves. Here's the deal. If you don't feel your niche, you'll burn out faster than a cheap light bulb. Passion fuels creativity, and creativity drives success. But don't get it twisted. Passion doesn't mean obsession. You don't have to dream about your niche every night. You just need to find it interesting enough to stay engaged. Now let's say you're eyeing a niche that doesn't light your fire. Can you still succeed? Absolutely. That's the beauty of this game. The key is to know how to work the system, build trust, leverage traffic, and let the results speak for themselves. I've made money in niches I couldn't care less about by playing smart, not hard. But here's the golden rule. Don't chase trends blindly. Align them with something you can add value to. You're not just selling a product. You're solving a problem, telling a story, or filling a gap in the market. My top picks for niches that work. Make money online. This niche is timeless. Why? Because people will always want to escape the rat race and earn more. Health and wellness. From weight loss to mental health, this niche is massive because it solves universal problems. Tech and gadgets. Everyone loves the latest gadget, especially if it makes life easier. Pet care. Pet owners spend billions every year to keep their furry friends happy. At the end of the day, it's all about matching a pressing need with a reliable solution. And remember, people don't buy products. They buy better versions of themselves. Before we wrap this up, I've got something special for you. A collection of resources that can change the game for your affiliate journey. And here's the best part. It's all free. I've compiled every tool, course, and platform that helped me grow from struggling to scaling a business that now brings in 5 figures a month. These aren't just random links or generic guides. These are carefully curated assets designed to fast-track your success. They are available in the first comment pinned. I want to know something. What niche are you eyeing right now? Drop it in the comments. Let's see who's about to strike gold. Step 2. The affiliate offer that sells. So, you've locked in your niche. Great. But what comes next is where the real money is made, finding the right affiliate offer. This isn't about luck. It's about strategy, precision, and understanding the game. Let me tell you something I learned the hard way. The offer you choose is your ticket to making those commissions roll in. It's like playing poker. Pick the right hand and you're in. Choose wrong and you're just wasting time. Join the club, Affiliate Networks. First up, you need to get into the right networks. This is the entry point for every affiliate. Platforms like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo are beginner-friendly and packed with opportunities. They're great starting points for finding offers in niches like make money online, MMO, health, and fitness. But here's where it gets interesting. CPA, cost per action networks. Think Max Bounty, MyLead, or ClickDealer. These networks, they're for those ready to step up their game. They don't just hand out access to anyone, you need to apply. Sometimes it feels like a job interview. I was at an affiliate marketing conference in Canada back in 2022. A veteran affiliate marketer, someone who'd been in the game for over a decade, shared a simple truth. If you're not part of a solid affiliate network, you're not really an affiliate. That hit me hard. Why? Because he was right. Networks aren't just a source of offers. They're the foundation of your business. CPA networks especially offer tailored support. When you join, you get a personal affiliate manager who guides you through the platform. These managers are like gold. They'll help you pick offers, share insights on what's converting, and even offer tips to optimize your campaigns. Once you're in a network, it's time to pick the offer. Let's break it down. Check the track record. Look at the vendor's history. How well have their products performed? What's the conversion rate? Don't fall for flashy promises like, earn $10,000 in 24 hours with this $17 product. Be smart. Choose something with a solid reputation. Approval process. On networks like Warrior Plus or JVZoo, you might need the vendor's approval to promote their offer. Be genuine when you reach out. Let them know why you're a great fit to market their product. On platforms like ClickBank, no approval needed. Just grab your link and go. The green light. Once you're approved, it's time to get to work. This is where your creativity comes in. Build campaigns, test audiences, and fine-tune your marketing strategy. Why it matters. Your offer is the centerpiece of your affiliate journey. Pick the right one, and you're not just making money. You're building trust, credibility, and a long-term audience. So, be intentional, do the research, and always think about the value you're bringing to the table. Because in the world of affiliate marketing, value is what wins. Every single time. Step 3, the secret sauce, traffic that converts. So, you've nailed down your niche and locked in a winning affiliate offer. Now comes the game changer, the lifeblood of your affiliate business, traffic. No traffic means no clicks, no sales, no profit. It's that simple. But here's the kicker. Not all traffic is created equal. Let me break it down for you. There are two types of traffic you'll be working with. Organic traffic, free, but takes hustle. Paid traffic, fast, scalable, but needs investment. Let's dive into both. Organic vs. paid traffic. Organic traffic, the hustler's path. Organic traffic is the grind. It's about building an audience, creating content, and establishing trust. But don't roll your eyes just yet. This isn't some lame motivational talk. I'm telling you how to turn your time into serious money without spending a dime. Picture this. You start a YouTube channel in the weight loss niche. Every week you drop a video. Something real, something helpful. You add your affiliate link in the description and start from scratch. At first, crickets. But 6 months down the road, your videos start popping. Suddenly, you're pulling in 100,000 views per month. That's a stadium of people eyeballing your affiliate link. And here's the math. If 1,000 people click your link and 10% of them convert, you're looking at 100 sales. Now imagine the commission is $100 per sale. That's $10,000 from one video. But it doesn't stop there. The beauty of organic traffic is that it builds momentum. Each video acts as a soldier in your army, working for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Oh, and don't think you need to show your face. AI avatars, text over slides, or TikTok carousel posts work just as well. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram are gold mines for this kind of content. It's free, it's scalable, and if you're consistent, it's unstoppable. Paid traffic, the shortcut to success. Now let's talk about the fast lane, paid traffic. This is for those who aren't afraid to invest in their dreams. Paid traffic is your shortcut to instant visibility and conversions. Whether it's Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, or native ads, the potential here is limitless. I am not going to talk much about these ads, just keep in mind this word native ads. Native ads. You've seen them, even if you didn't know it. They're the chameleons of the advertising world, blending into your daily read so smoothly, you'd swear they were just another article in your favorite magazine or a breaking news story on MSN. Sponsored content. That's the stage where our ads strut their stuff incognito. Readers dive in, none the wiser, thinking they've stumbled upon the latest scoop. But it's not news. It's a stealth ad, slipping into the pages of their lives without a ripple. In a world where ads are the uninvited guests to our Zen moments, native ads are the welcome exception. They don't crash the party, they're part of the ambiance. You see, when we're bombarded with ads, our reflex is to skip, ignore, block. But native ads? They're the ninjas. There one moment, gone the next, leaving only a whisper of their presence and a click on the link. This isn't just advertising, it's art. Crafted by the maestros of our industry, native ads are the quiet revolution, the backbone of affiliate marketing. Take it from me, I've been running a mosquito repellent campaign, and native ads are my weapon of choice. And here's the kicker. In the bonus round, I'll show you how to master this craft. Because let's face it, if you're not riding the native ad wave, you're leaving 7 figures on the table. And in this game, that's not just a missed opportunity. It's a cardinal sin. Let me share a quick story. My first affiliate sale wasn't just a win. It was the moment everything changed. It all started with solo ads, the underground playbook of the affiliate world. Think of it like this. You're tapping into someone else's email list, a list they've spent years building, longer than the line outside a sold-out concert. And here's the kicker. They're practically handing over that audience to you, one click at a time. Picture this. You pay a modest fee, and suddenly, your offer is in front of hundreds, even thousands of targeted prospects. It's like having a megaphone in the middle of a crowd that's already interested in what you're selling. That's what makes solo ads pure gold. You're not fishing in the dark. You're casting your net in a pond teeming with fish. For me, it was a game changer. That first sale, it wasn't just a paycheck. It was proof that this system works. It was the realization that affiliate marketing isn't about shouting into the void. It's about strategy, precision, and leveraging the right tools at the right time. From that moment, I knew I wasn't just participating in affiliate marketing. I was mastering it. Why paid traffic works. Targeted reach. You're putting your offer directly in front of people who are ready to buy. Speed. While organic traffic takes months to grow, paid traffic delivers clicks within hours. Scalability. Once you find a winning ad, you can pour money into it and watch the sales roll in. But here's the catch. Paid ads require strategy. It's not just about throwing money at Facebook or Google and praying for results. You need to test, optimize, and scale smartly. Which traffic should you choose? If you're just starting, stick with organic traffic. Build your foundation, learn the ropes. But once you have some experience and a bit of cash to reinvest, start experimenting with paid traffic. Both paths lead to success. The question is, how fast do you want to get there? Traffic is the engine of your affiliate business. Whether you're grinding with organic content or scaling with paid ads, the goal is the same: drive targeted visitors to your offer. So, what's it going to be? Are you ready to put in the work, or are you ready to invest? Either way, the path to success is wide open. All you need to do is take the first step. Now you have all keys in hand. You've got everything you need: niche, offer, and traffic. The rest is on you. I'll see you on the inside.